Man, this party's so boring. What am I doing here? What a lame party. Oh man, I'll probably just daydream or something. Go have a puff or two. Come back and talk to my favorite character.
Hello, Allie. Looks like you're not enjoying the party, eh?
Well, Kermit, you're right, I'm not enjoying the party. Hey, I've always had a question.
Okay. Feel free to ask.
How can you talk? I mean, frogs don't talk.
Well, you see, Allie, I'm just a puppet, eh?
Wait, what do you mean? You're a puppet? You gotta be joking. You mean frogs can't talk?
Oh God, Allie, it's people like you that kind of scare me, eh? People like you that take me too seriously and kind of scare me. Well, you're probably daydreaming.
No, this can't be true. Oh my God, Kermit the Frog isn't real. This cannot be true. Ellie's brain. This is your brain telling you that you are just dreaming. Oh my God, did my brain just tell me my brain is dreaming? This isn't happening. Kermit the Frog. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa. I just had the weirdest dream. I dreamt I was at this party and I was talking to Kermit the Frog, and he was telling me he was just a puppet and he wasn't real. Oh man, it was a nightmare. Oh, I thought I was tripping out.
Hey man, are you alright? Dude, are you okay? Talk to me, man. Talk to me.
Seems like you just tripped out for a second. Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
This is Kermit telling you one thing: don't ever try drugs because they're bad for you. As you saw in this old soundscape, he thought I was real, and that's not good for you. So kids, don't try drugs, okay? We are Dr. Lewis.